What's going on, alright world? It's the Commander-in-Chief here. Man, I hate Mike Gam.
I'm bored. I'm bored too. Wanna play Doorbell Ditch? What's that? Come on. I'm just gonna ring the doorbell and run. Okay.
Got your butt. Yeah, come back here. I got your butt. Where your mama at, boy?
Down the hall.
Oh, down the hall. Yeah, you come here. Yeah, you. Cause y'all sit up here playing. No, I'm not playing with y'all. You take me to your mama, boy.
Wait, I didn't do anything.
I should crack you in the head too.
Wait.
Yeah, what's going?
Is this your son? Is this your son?
Yes, it is.
And this your niece?
Yeah.
They was down there playing Doorbell Ditch at my door.
Y'all
Can
was
you
playing.
please?
Wait, why he got egg in his head?
Now he was down here playing, and when he was down here playing, I hit him in the head with an egg.
Oh, okay. Go have a seat. Nah, go
Yeah.
have a seat. So
Somebody
you,
teach-
as a grown-up, thought it was a good idea to put egg in a little
Miss,
kid
I
head?
didn't come on down here to argue with you.
Oh, that was cool?
I didn't.
Oh, okay, now hold on. Y'all go have a seat.
Mama.
Wait right there. Hold this.
I didn't come on out here and all that. Miss.
Since
I'm just trying to teach
Since
you.
you
Miss,
want to play with these kids,
Miss,
go and get your ass from around here.
So you just go think it's okay to crack me in my head? And it is unlimited.
Boy, you better quit playing.